Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to use my Toto wrap to make the Bengkung Belly Bind. So I have two of them. I have this blue one. I have shared a video with you on how to wrap your baby using this Toto wrap, and also I've shared with you a video on how to do the Bengkung Belly Bind. I had my baby like 7 months ago. I've been wrapping my tummy, but in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself at home. So this is the wrap, Toto wrap. So because it's short, this is how you're going to wrap your tummy. But I've shared a video with you before on how to do this. So this is just like a repetition of what I shared with you before. So when you wrap, make sure you put this other one, this shorter one, on your shoulders so that it makes the process easier for you. When you get here, you can just make a knot. So, like that. But since I want it to be slightly longer, I'm going to cut it just to make it slightly longer, because as you can see this one is just on the torso area and just the upper body part. So I'm just going to cut it to make it slightly longer, because I already have another Toto wrap and I have 2 or 3 baby carriers, so I don't think I need 2 of this. I'm just going to cut it in half to make it longer. So guys, you can wrap your tummy, especially if it's normal delivery. You can just wrap your tummy like even the same day you delivered your baby. But if you're a CS mom, you have to wait for at least some few weeks, because for me, I had my baby through CS and my doctor gave me a go ahead to wrap my tummy. When I went for I think it was my 6-week appointment, she told me I can wrap my tummy, but I should just be gentle, because of course, you know, you still have a womb. So for the CS mummies, you have to be patient, wait at least 6 weeks, but then don't make it too tight. For normal delivery, guys, you can do it anytime. So as you can see, for this one it's longer, so the same process. I'm going to take make a shorter one and put on my neck, and for this part I'm going to start from here. Again, if you're a CS mom, it's always good to bind your tummy from this part, because you know the section is here, the C-section is here. So it's always good to cover, not from here, but from here, if you get me, just on top of the CS. Again, guys, I'm not a doctor. Always make sure you consult your doctor before you do any hacks that you see online. Even for this mine, make sure you consult your doctor before you do it, because I am not a doctor. I'm just doing what I do, or what the advice that I get from, you know, my grandmother, my doctors. But for this one, if you want to wrap, just consult your doctor first. Okay? Again, I am not a doctor. If you don't get it, just watch it again and again till you get it. So if the scar is still new, if it, because for me right now it's like 6-7 months post CS, so I really have the freedom to play with the bind. But again, you have to be careful, because my scar, I felt like it healed very fast compared to most of the people that we did the CS at the same time. And also with my scar, I don't feel like I was itchy. It wasn't complicated at all. I didn't feel any pain. It was not itchy. Yeah, and also when you do this, it helps with your back. You'll just feel some relief on your back. Yeah, guys, it feels so nice, especially on my back. It really feels so nice. Like that, and then make a knot. Again, if you're a CS mom, just make sure you consult your doctor. For me personally, consulted my doctor because they have to review your scar, review your healing. So just don't do it because someone else online is doing it. Do it because maybe your doctor has given you a go ahead, or you feel like you've healed. This is how it looks. You can wrap it like this for some few hours. Just make sure you're comfortable and you're breathing. You don't want to suffocate, guys. Ooh, and it feels so comfortable. I feel like my back is, some pressure is released from my back. Yeah, so guys, if you loved this video or if you learned something from this video, just let me know. And also, if you have any questions on this Bangkok belly bind, just let me know. The questions that I'll be able to answer, that I have knowledge about them, I'll answer them for you. But the ones that I don't have knowledge about them, I just tell you, maybe consult with your doctor. Because guys, when it comes to your body, when it comes to your scar, this is something sensitive, and someone who's not a doctor is not supposed to advise you. This is just because of the knowledge that I have from my grandparents, from my friends, from the people I've seen online. Yeah, and this is how it feels, guys. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. So you can just wear this for some few hours and take it off whenever you want. This is very, very comfortable compared to a corset. This one is very, very comfortable.